Nikola Tesla, one of the greatest inventors ever lived in this world. The contribution he had done to the world is vast, ranging from AC, Tesla coil, remote control, teleforce, induction motor, neon lamp, wireless telegraphy, and many more. He died on 7 January 1943 in Hotel New York. Immediately after his death, his scientific papers were stolen and never found after. Those papers contain very important military secrets. The current beam weapon program was actually originated from Tesla's death ray idea. Nikola Tesla was born in 1856 in Croatia. His father was a priest in the Serbian Orthodox Church who was very stern but very loving. His brother Daniel was killed in an accident and Tesla reported seeing visions of his brother. It was the first sign of his lifelong mental illness. He studied maths and physics at the Technical University of Greece and philosophy at the University of Prague. In 1894, Tesla photographed the great American writer Mark Twain. It was one of the first pictures ever lit by phosphorescent light. He credited all of his inventive instincts to his mother. In 1882, while on a walk in the seashore, he came up with an idea of brushless AC motor, making the first sketch of electromagnets in the sand. Later that year, he got job repairing DC power plant with Continental Edison Company. 2 years later, he migrated to United States and reached New York in 1884 and was hired as an engineer at Thomas Edison Manhattan headquarters. He worked there for 3 years, impressing Edison. Once Edison promised Tesla he would pay $50,000 for an improved design of his DC dynamos. After months of experiments, Tesla presented a solution and asked for the money. In return, Edison dishonored him. After Edison's rude behavior, he quit his job and later he spent his most difficult days until he met George Westinghouse. In 1887 and 1888, he was granted more than 30 patents for his inventions and invited to address the American Institute of Electrical Engineers on his work. The George Westinghouse was an inventor who had launched the first AC power system near Boston and was Edison's major competitor in the Battle of Corinth. The war between AC and DC broke out because of two lightning systems. One is arc lamp run by AC and incandescent lamp run by DC. In 1890, Edison arranged for a convicted New York murderer to be put to death in AC-powered electric chair to show the world how dangerous is AC. In the same year, Tesla invented electric oscillator, meter, improved light system, and high-voltage transformers known as Tesla coil. He also experimented with X-ray and gave short-range demonstration of radio communication 2 years before Marconi. Tesla and Westinghouse partnered with General Electric to install an AC generator at Niagara Falls, creating the first modern power station. Now let's check few examples of his inventions. The transmission of electrical energy without wires as well as point-to-point wireless telecommunication and broadcasting. For this futuristic project, Tesla convinced banker JP Morgan to finance for construction of wireless stations since his new idea of transmission of message combined Marconi's radio-based telegraphy made Morgan to refuse funding as that project was abandoned in 1906 never to become operational. Remote control was invented in 19th century by Nikola Tesla. He unveiled his inventions at Madison Square Garden in New York City. Alternating current or AC is an electric current which periodically reverses direction in contrast to DC which flows in one direction. The major benefit of AC is it can be transmitted to long distance. The power loss of AC compared to DC is very less, and another advantage is it can be step up or step down. During the AC-DC war, Thomas Alva Edison demonstrated to the public how dangerous is AC by passing high voltage AC through seated prisoner. Tesla coil is an electrical resonant transformer circuit. It is used to produce high voltage, low current, high frequency alternating current. Earlier it was used for X-ray generating, lighting, phosphorescence and electrotherapy. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell.